Hello guy, welcome to online money. In this video I'll be showing you a strategy, a USDJPY trading strategy that works 95% of the time. This strategy makes you a lot of money with less losses. Please, if this is your first time coming to this channel, kindly click the subscribe button, subscribe to my channel, and then click the like button for others to see it, because this video is really helpful. I will be showing you the USDJPY Forex trading strategy 2022. This strategy works perfectly. You understand? The strategy works well. So I'll be opening the USDJPY chart. Now, as you can see, this is a blank chart. Like, this chart doesn't have any indicator, and I am in the 15-minute time frame. As you can see, this is a 15-minute time frame. So this strategy deals with moving average. The strategy deals with moving average. So I'll be adding the moving average. First of all, I'll be clicking this F figure here, this F sign here. I'll be clicking on it. Then I'll click on moving average, this very moving average. As you can see, the moving average is open, and then the period is set at 60. Yours might be different number, but make sure you change it to 60. The method is exponential. Apply to close. Style 2 pixel is okay. While the color, you can choose any color you want. Then you click done. Now this is it. This is the blue moving, the exponential moving average. This is the blue exponential moving average. So we'll be adding another. I'll click this main chart, this F sign here. Then I'll click moving average. This period I will change it to 15. Then the method will be exponential. Then I'll go down. The style 2 pixel is okay. Then I'll change this blue to red. Although you can choose any color you like. Then I'll click done. So as you can see here, this is it. This is the chart. So the strategy works with crossover. The strategy works with crossover, and it works 95% of the time when the market is trending. When the USDJPY is trending, it gives you accurate indication of when to buy and sell. So now let's look back in history of this strategy. Now as you can see here, a cross happened here. After a cross happened, what happened? The market spike. It rised up to this moment. You see, it rised up. It rised up from here, boom, till over 136. Started from 136.092 to 136.908. That's a very large amount of pips, you see. So now let's move forward. Then the red moving average crossed over the blue one. Then the market began to fall. You see, it fall down here before it retraces back, then continue to fall. Boom, still falling, fall. Then here the trend changed. The moving average now crossed this blue one again. As it crossed, the market began to rise. You see, let's say you took the first trade, the second trade, you will be in profit, and the third trade too, you will be in profit. Then here it crossed again. So let's say as it crossed, you sell. Then you hit your TP here, like that. It crossed here, you buy, you hit TP here, crossed again, you sell, like that. There is a lot of money in this. There's a lot of money. You make money with this strategy. It's really easy, nothing difficult. Now you must be asking yourself, when do I get in, and where do I put my take profit and stop loss? So now let's start from here. where this first cross happened, from this very place now, you see a cross happen around here, around this arena. A cross happen. So this is the candlestick after the cross happened. This very red candlestick here after the cross happened. So let's say the cross happened around that area. So now your you put place a sell around here, like you place, I mean, you placed a buy, you buy around here. So this is where your stop loss normally supposed to be, below the cross. Once the cross happen, your stop loss should be below, a bit far away from the cross here. So whenever the market come back down and hit your stop loss, just know that the trend has gone against your prediction. You understand? So, but if it didn't happen, just know that yes, you'll be in profit. You will be in profit. So that's how the strategy works. That's how the strategy works. And then if you want to target your take profit, this is the cross here. You look for the nearest high. The nearest high. So where is the nearest high? The cross happen here. The cross happen here. Here is the nearest high. Here is the nearest high. And then there is another nearest high here, like that. So you just target there. Once the market reach there, you close some little amount of trade and move your stop loss to your barrier, like that, like that, like that, like that. You keep riding the market. You keep accumulating your profit. So this is the strategy, and it works really well. Please kindly click the subscribe button and then click the like button and share this video with your friends. Thank you very much, and thank you for watching.